Solar installation fire hazards. 7 major causes and how to prevent them. Solar energy is one of the safest and fastest growing sources of electricity in the world. However, poor installation practices, low-quality equipment, and inadequate maintenance can create serious fire risks in both industrial and domestic solar installations. In this video, we will examine the 7 major causes of solar installation fires and discuss practical ways to prevent them. Cause number 1. Loose electrical connections. Loose terminals, poor crimping, and improperly tightened connectors create electrical resistance. As current flows through these points, excessive heat is generated. Over time, insulation can melt, sparks can occur, and fire may result. To prevent this problem, always use proper crimping tools, follow manufacturer torque specifications, and conduct regular inspections. Cause number 2. Low-quality components. Substandard cables, connectors, junction boxes, and inverters often fail under normal operating conditions. Many solar fire incidents have been traced to counterfeit or poor quality components. Always use certified products from reputable manufacturers and ensure compliance with recognized electrical standards. Cause number 3. Damaged solar panels. Solar panels can develop cracks, hot spots, or internal defects due to poor handling, transportation damage, or environmental conditions. These defects can generate excessive localized heating and increase fire risk. Regular visual inspections and thermal imaging surveys can help identify damaged panels before they become dangerous. Cause number 4. Incorrect cable sizing. Undersized cables carry more current than they are designed for and can overheat continuously. This leads to insulation degradation and eventually creates a fire hazard. Proper cable sizing calculations should always be performed during system design and installation. Cause number 5. Arc faults. Arc faults occur when electricity jumps across damaged insulation or loose electrical connections. The temperature of an electrical arc can be extremely high and capable of igniting surrounding materials. Routine inspections and proper cable management significantly reduce the likelihood of arc faults. Cause number 6. Inverter failure. The inverter is one of the most important components of a solar power system. Poor ventilation, overheating, or internal component failure can lead to smoke, equipment damage, or fire. Install inverters in well-ventilated locations and follow manufacturer maintenance recommendations. Cause number 7. Lightning and power surges. Lightning strikes and electrical surges can damage solar equipment instantly. Without proper surge protection and grounding systems, these events can result in equipment failure and fire. Industrial and commercial solar plants are particularly vulnerable. Installing surge protection devices and maintaining effective earthing systems are essential preventive measures. The good news is that most solar installation fires are preventable. Quality components, proper system design, professional installation, routine inspections, and preventive maintenance can significantly reduce fire risks. Let's recap the 7 major causes. Loose electrical connections. Low-quality components. Damaged solar panels. Incorrect cable sizing. Arc faults. Inverter failure. Lightning and power surges. Understanding these risks helps engineers, technicians, installers, and solar system owners maintain safer and more reliable solar installations. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others in the engineering and renewable energy community. Thank you for watching. This is Gab Tech Insights. Stay informed, stay prepared, and stay safe.